If you are looking for a channel to learn Arabic language in simple way, then you are in the right place. الشخص النجيب والمستمر في طريقه لتعلم اللغة العربية. أخبرني، كيف حالك؟ عدت لك اليوم بفيديو ثالث للفعل المضارع، وأنا متحمسة جدا للقاء بك بعد غياب دام 3 أيام فقط. You probably read the title of the video and understood that our topic today is the present tense in the Arabic language. But before that, I want to make sure that you have watched the third video of the previous series, Past Tense in Arabic. The present tense in Arabic is very simple, but you must learn the past tense before you start. Why? Because the present tense is the past tense, but with minor changes at the beginnings of the verb and the vowels. Let's start our journey today. First, I will introduce you to a new version of the present tense in Arabic language, يفاعل. Then, we will learn some verbs and their meanings, and we will use them in useful sentences. And finally, we will test what we have learned with some nice questions. ولكن قبل ذلك، ما رأيك أن تحضر مشروبك المفضل وتجلس بطريقة مريحة حتى نبدأ درسنا بكل حماس؟ هيا سأنتظرك. The new version we will learn today is يفاعل. As we said, that the present tense is the past tense, but with minor changes at the beginning of the verb and the vowels. Do you remember الوزن فاعل in the past tense videos? We will convert فاعل from past tense form to the present tense form in this video. يفاعل يفاعل. فاعل ناقش يناقش. ناقش he discussed. يناقش ناقش يناقش. شاغب يشاغب. ضاعف يضاعف. شارك يشارك. Okay. يشاغب he riots. يشاغب يشاغب. And this verb is used with the students. يشاغب. يضاعف he multiplies or he doubles. يضاعف. يساهم he contributes. يساهم or he is contributing. يساهم. يساعد he helps. يساعد يساعد or he is helping. يساعد. يعامل he treats or he deals. يعامل. يشارك يشارك he shares or participates. And what about if I want to use this verb with female? تشارك. تشارك for female. تشارك she shares or she participates. In the past tense, for male was فعل, for female فعلت. As an example, شارك for male and شاركت for female. In present tense form, for male يفاعل يفاعل and for female تفاعل. For male يشارك, for female تشارك. Now, let's use these verbs in useful sentences. As you know, in Arabic language, we start writing from right to left. We start writing and reading from right to left. And sentence order begins with the verb, then the subject, and finally the object يشاغب الطالب في المدرسة. يشاغب الطالب في المدرسة. The student riots at school. تشارك المدرسة في المسابقة كل عام. تشارك المدرسة في المسابقة كل عام. The school participates in the competition every year. But I think you are wondering now, why it's feminine sentence? Where is the female subject? Okay, as you see, المدرسة, the school, it's ended by تاء مربوطة in the last letter. And تاء مربوطة, it's a feminine sign. So the school is the female subject. يساهم الإبداع بنجاح أي مشروع. يساهم الإبداع بنجاح أي مشروع. يساهم. Creativity contributes to increasing the success of any project. والآن لنختبر ما تعلمناه مع بعض الأسئلة اللطيفة. Now, let's test what we have learned with some nice questions. Choose the option that you see fit. Any of the verbs has the وزن of يفاعل. يساعد، ساعد، ساعد. يساعد، ساعد، ساعد. Right, يساعد. يساعد, it's in present tense form and it's used for male. ساعد, it's in past tense form. And ساعد is in imperative form. Choose the verb that is used in the case if you want to say there's a person who multiplies the results. ضاعف، يضاعف، سيضاعف. ضاعف، يضاعف، سيضاعف. Right, يضاعف. If you see someone being kind to street dogs, what verb would you use? يعامل، يشاغب، يناقش. يعامل، يشاغب، يناقش. Right, يعامل. As an example, رأيت شخصاً يعامل الكلاب بلطف. I saw someone being kind to dogs. يعامل being or treats or deals. شكراً لك أنك أكملت معي لهذه اللحظة. سأكون ممتنة في كل مرة تعرفت بها على الفعل عند سماعك للكلمات. شكراً لمتابعتك وأتمنى أن تكون قد